Speed Lesson Virtual Thumbtack Notes. Begin by logging in. In the upper right-hand corner, click the drop-down menu for your fairground and the mapping of your choice. Above that, in the far upper right-hand corner, click on the Files button. Then lower left of the screen, click the Personal Folder Load and load the file drawing called Thumbtack Map Notes. Looking up close, we can see that this is a utility with customizable labels and multicolored markers. So let's go ahead and click the Booth Layout tab in the upper left-hand corner, and then quickly check the Single Booth Move box to allow the objects to be dragged across the screen. So now we click on the red colored marker, and then edit the number of that down below in the Single Booth control, and hit New to make a copy. Drag the copy into place where we want to create a note. Then click on the Sales Planner tab in the upper middle section. This is where we enter notes concerning various issues on the fairgrounds. Click OK to save the note, and then go up to the tab called Exhibitor Data. And this is where later on we can click on any particular marker and then click on Exhibitor Data and see what that notation was. And in that Exhibitor Data tab, we can also click on the search button and enter the name or number of the marker, and that will show up on the screen blinking. Now it's simply a matter of repeating the same process and choosing from the color-coded categories. Again, just clicking on one of your category markers, going ahead and editing the number, hitting New to make a copy, dragging it into place, then taking the Sales Planner and entering the notations for that particular marker. We again use the exhibitor data to go back through our markers and check and make sure that the notations we want are correct and in the right placement. Once we create a session of virtually thumbtacking notes to our map, then of course we're going to want to save it so that we can retrieve it later. With saving, you go to the Files menu again and your personal folder, and this time click Save, and type in a new name for that file of notes on the map. When you're ready to add more notes to your map, then you of course open up the FairsMI application and go to the Files menu and hit Personal Folder Load and load that file name that you had just previously saved. And then just repeat the same steps that are shown in this demo. This Thumbtack Map Notation utility allows you to associate a large variety of fairground issues with the physical location on the fair site, and at the same time, at a glance, be able to look at the concentration of tasks and workloads that you have for your grounds management. That wraps up the speed lesson, and there's lots more details concerning this technique, and for more information, please email or call us. Thanks so much. FairsMI.